I've been dodging all of my friends' calls, and I'm really sorry to them all, but I've been losing it, going out for the deep end. I don't know what the future holds, can't imagine myself growing old. Feel like the whole world's collapsing around me. I don't know what the hell to do, I think my sanity is screwed. Feel like I'm drifting alone in space. I've been falling faster, my mind is going numb. Life is a big disaster, I'm falling out of touch. I've been having nightmares as of late, still better than being awake. I hope I don't fall victim to myself. Don't think my mind will ever change.